What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a chest and tri workout with me, one of your standard muscle building splits that I like to do. We're going to work more like hypertrophy, so we're going to work like rep range around 8. And we're going to just take a look at how I would just do like a generic starter chest and tri workout. Let's go. Of course, I like to start with a type of bench press, and today we're going with the barbell bench press. Yeah, I just think that, the development adaptations that you can make with a consistent bench press, it just improves the communication between your muscles and yourself with an efficient and powerful movement like the bench press. I like how you can kind of like have a variable grip width, so you can kind of target different areas of the chest. Moving across similar, doing the dumbbell incline bench press here, and it's a great one for me to kind of like progressively overload. So we're just increasing the resistance over long term, improves the strength and muscle development here, and it's great for improving muscle imbalances when you adapt the dumbbells into the workout. So yeah, I like to do 2 presses for the chest. The dumbbell incline flies, and I like to do incline flies because it reduces the stress on the shoulders compared to like a flat bench. I do like to get a bit of isolation of the upper chest as well, so that incline angle again targets that area. It emphasizes like the clavicle head of the pectoralis major. And this helps create a well-rounded, balanced chest appearance. I love doing the cable flies, and yeah, I really like how you can kind of like get that enhanced stretch and contraction with this exercise. The full range of motion, it really contributes to the muscle flexibility and development, and obviously has that unilateral training effect. So I really like now working the triceps, and cable straight bar push downs are here, and the big one for this one is that you've got constant tension from the bar, continuous contraction through the triceps throughout the entire range of the movement, and you can also then work on your time under tension as well. Next up is the dumbbell overhead extension, and this is a great one for isolation of your triceps. The focused isolation is beneficial for individuals looking to specifically target tricep development. The main key points here is that your elbows are facing more so forward, and that you're bringing it down and not hitting your neck. So we're looking last at the barbell closed grip bench press. It's one of my favorite exercises for developing the tricep, and this particular exercise targets the medial head of the tricep, so you're getting a well-rounded development of that. You do require enhanced stability with that closed grip, and this basically concludes my workout for chest and tris. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's just a starter session, and yeah, I hope you like more.